Orlando Pirates, aka Amatambo FC, aka Amstel FC, aka Gaming Hand FC. 2. Monkey CFC, aka Trash FC, aka I don't even know how to gaslight them, aka the worst team in the Betway Premiership. 0. For me to say 2 Pirates, 0 Magesi, I'm supposed to be saying 5, 6, or even 8 Orlando Pirates, 0 Magesi. Because if Orlando Pirates tonight, if they were clinical tonight, bro, they could have won that game by those goals. 6, 7, 8. They were playing the worst team in the Betway Prem, Magesi. From minute 1 to minute 96, Orlando Pirates were attacking. They never, next. They never defended. He was just chilling. Usipochain, I don't even know if I should applaud the Orlando Pirates for that game. But how do you applaud when you are playing the worst team in the Betway Prem, Lucky FC? That's probably the easiest game they will ever play this season. Magesi, you guys are trash. You deserve Ubagui Betway. No. What's this league? Motsepe Foundation. You don't deserve to be even number last in the league. You guys are supposed to be somewhere in the Motsepe Foundation. They were so bad. But anyways, Pirates played. There was a beautiful pass for the first goal. Played by Osuna Polis to Urele, and then Rele does a cutback. Yanela Mbutuma to get that first touch right, and then quickly shoots. Beautiful. Yanela Mbutuma is one of the underrated strikers in the Betway Prem. He's a very good striker. This is the second goal. Dimbona, a trapper, Ebe under pressure, and then finishes. Beautiful. Ukwazi nje ukuyitrapper that ball. Ukwazi ukucinga, okay, I have 2 defenders on pressing me, so I have to get my first touch 100% correct so that I can quickly shoot. That's quality. Yanela Mbutuma is top striker. The future is bright. We might even see him Umjida World Cup if he keeps on performing like this. Yanela Mbutuma might bench Evidence Mahopa with Orlando Pirates and also in the national team. Okay, Osuna Polis, as usual, cooking. Always cooking. Ushot. That guy, I don't even have to say anything. You guys saw him today, as usual. Rele Naye came back, goal and an assist. It was good to see him move gang. Not good as a rival, Kotwage, because he's a national team player. I need him to start performing so that my selector Hugo Bros Ndinga Kalaz. So it's good to see him scoring, assisting. He was very active tonight against Magesi. Again, we can't really applaud Orlando Pirates like that. They were playing against the worst team in the Betway Premiership, and they have that quality. They are playing with national team players, so they were always going to dominate that game. So yeah, they did that, and they should have scored even more goals. Like I've said, one player that Orlando Pirates fans should be worried about, I think, Tsapang Moremi. Have you guys noticed ukuthi to bomba kakhulu? Even if he's the one owenze a mistake, Ula izandla. He's very reactionary. Like, I've played football before, and I know Guti playing with a teammate or like that, when you make a mistake, always reactionary, it can be frustrating. But again, hopefully Umjida, it's something azoyilungisa fast. It's something that he has to talk to him about, because he's a national team player now, and he's probably thinking, I'm better than these folks, some of these folks. Maybe I'm exaggerating, but I'm hoping Osapang Moremi angabi cocky, because You could be having your best season this season, next season asazi ukuthi kungenzekani. Keep on respecting your players, your teammates, I mean. Okay, who else should I applaud? Yanela Mbuthuma, I've already spoken about him. Mjita, amazing talent, very good striker, and Evidence Makgopa usazohlala ebenchini. Usazohlala ebenchini if Yanela Mbuthuma gets on form, because he's one boy who knows how to finish. Khona leya header ayishayileyo, and then Elvis Chipezeze qa wayisaver. Yanela Mbuthuma is that guy, and then khona le ayigetshileyo ebezama ukuyithi second half. Ndiyibonile that when I see head movement, okay, Yanela Mbuthuma is that guy. If he keeps on playing, I think he's going to be a very good striker. The future is bright. Okay, who else can I talk about? Talent Bata, Makaula, what a duo. Maybe it's because of Marcus now. You refer to Marcus, were dead. Makaula were always gonna dominate, and Umbata in that midfield. They were always gonna do that. Who else? The back line. I can't even speak about the back line of Orlando Pirates, because Orlando Pirates at the back, they were chilling. They were all chilling. God, I can speak about Lentwana and Tongbani Kosnatendaba. There were times where Ayegi Poli Pumele Gapandle. I don't think that was a good display, but Umjita Yaltin and he has to. What can I say about Tundaba? He tried to play. He's a very good defender, good left back, and I think the future is bright. He just have to uqina kancane. Hayi lento ukuthi phosho kancane. Seyophuma nebhola elayinini. Ngeke physique iyadingeka, especially when you are a defender. Okay, who else? Van Rooyen, he played. I can't really complain because Marquesi were not challenging. How many? Sipho Chain, you can't even say anything about him, bro. You can't say anything about Sipho Chain. He was literally chilling in that game. And all the defenders, OCBC, even this guy, Siema, they were chilling at the back. Marquesi were not challenging them at all. They were not challenging them at all. So who else can I speak about in that Orlando Pirates team? They played very well. The only thing I showed Dileo is being clinical. And Orlando Pirates fans, let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about Orlando Pirates letting Umabasa go on loan? Bashie, okay, let me not say Bashie Swanban, a proven Golden Boot winner, to go out on loan. What do you guys think about that? Because I have learned an opinion on that, because the way you guys are playing, you guys even saw today, you guys have so many good ball carriers. Like, you have Mbata, you have Makaula, you have all these good midfielders, Onem Tajela, who came on in the second half, who are so good on the ball. Even our police as wingers, Moremi, they are so good on the ball. You have your striker is Evidence Makgopa. I would like to say he's your number one striker, even though he's not. I would consider him as the number one striker, since he's also a national team player. So let's say Makgopa is number one. But now I don't understand why Nimyeka ahambe uLomjeda is sniper. Takhwaso Mabasa, a player who stands in the box, wait for those tap-ins. People underestimate ama-tap-ins kodwa ayadingeka. Especially when you are playing against them, when you are playing with teammates who are that good on the ball. You just need a striker who's going to stand in the box. You don't need a striker to play make. I see Makgopa, what he does it very well, and it's beautiful to see him play like that. But he doesn't need to at Orlando Pirates. He doesn't. You have so many ball carriers. So that's why I was surprised. I was a bit surprised to see Pirates imdedela uLomjeda Mabasa, because Lomjeda was probably going to get 10-15 goals for you, because the Pirates idlala kahle. Kodwa ke after Slemuwatu akabonisanga ukuthembeka okanye ukumthemba uMabasa. Maybe he's not the type of a striker that he prefers. He prefers Evidence Makgopa, who drops deep, try to create for other players, try to allow those wingers to run in behind, have those touches, hold up play, Ntwempu. God, I don't think you guys need that. You don't need it. You don't need it when you have good ball carriers in the middle. You have Osipho Mbule, you have Onentajela, so many good midfielders that are supposed to be qaqeling ama-pass lamajita as strikers. Mahopa is supposed to be focusing on making beautiful runs, timing in the box, increasing ilento ama-instincts wakhe, ama-goal instincts wakhe, positioning well in the box, putting pressure on those center backs, focusing on finishing. He was supposed to be focusing on that, and Mobasa Yena was more of a striker that was doing that, focusing on scoring goals. He doesn't have to drop in the middle of the park because you have good ball carriers. He didn't have to do that. Also, Napolis as a winger, he's a very good ball passer. Onem Tajela, but good on the ball. Tsepang Moremi Naye, he's very good on the ball, the wingers. So if you had the striker, even with Uti Young that you guys just signed, I understand ukuthi Pirates ithanda ukudlala ibhola, ithanda ukulithinta, kodwa still you don't need that. You don't need it, in my opinion. You need a striker who's going to finish those tap-ins. Also Parcello, imagine a striker being fed by all these players, ball carriers. Kodwa again, I also understand that in some games in the Betway Prem, you might need a striker that is going to be good on the ball because you constantly have to break a roadblock, since Betway Premiership teams badlala a roadblock whenever they are playing Pirates, Sundowns. So it's never a game on like a pound-to-pound game, so you have to break a roadblock. So I understand, but at the same time, you don't need striker as is a dropper in too deep. A striker must be between the two center backs, put pressure on them, focus on spacing, sishaya goal ngekhanda, sishaya tap-in, any type of a goal. It's supposed to be like that. In this game, your substitutions, I saw Henry de Jong, I saw Umsendami, De Jong, ndimbonile kancane. Umjita iyamfanela this team because he's good on the ball. Pirates are a team now that are focusing on playing ibola, 1-2s and all that. So I think izomfanela, kodwa I don't see him benching that boy Ulomjita, the one I talked about in the first when I was starting the video, Yanela Mbuthuma. The future is bright. He's the striker you guys need. Yanela Mbuthuma. Keep on believing in him, and he's gonna give you goals. That boy is a very good striker. And then Daniel Msendami, I didn't really see much. He didn't, but he kind of played, but still, there was no need. You guys were already winning the game, and yeah, Pirates played very well. So I'm gonna close the video here. Like the video and subscribe if you are new to the channel. I will see you on the next one.